And then everybody on the end right here.
And right this way, thank you.
Everybody to your left, please. Great, thank you.
Well, we share one home. It's called Planet Earth, and it really is in jeopardy. And we haven't won many arguments, those of us who've been in the environmental movement and human rights movement for many years. And I think Standing Rock really was the first gain that has been made, and we have to make sure that we can now build on it. And we were so proud to have a Standing Rock Lakota delegation in the room with us, and we're going to go on supporting them, and we will not have that pipeline decision reversed. That's really very important.
Start right here.
Are they okay?
And then right here.
Right this way, right up front. There we go. Right here to cover your name.
One more, Dina, one more this way, all the way in here.
One more to your left, please.
Thank you.
Could we just get you right this way? Thank you so much.
One more to your left, please.
And Dina right here.
Stay ahead, please.